It's my pleasure to be here to join this workshop, and it's my first time to Tokyo, and I love Tokyo.
就像我这个 LinkedIn 说的，就是这是我们的一小步，但是却是 openEuler 跟 OpenChain 的一大步。
日本の皆さん、openEuler にようこそ。Welcome to openEuler， 欢迎加入 openEuler。
时隔10几年又一次来到了日本，非常高兴。我们希望 openEuler 能在日本和日本的这种伙伴，与我们的 partner 一块儿，共建这个产业生态和这个开源生态。
So every journey begins with a single step, and that's what we're doing, piece by piece, sharing information, sharing knowledge, sharing ideas. Today is one of the times that we had members of the Chinese open source community come to Japan and share things with the Japanese open source community. I think that this is one of many discussions we'll have this year and in years ahead. And as the debut of openEuler in Japan, as the first time to get case studies and learn about it, I think we had an exceptional day. So thank you very much indeed to everyone who is part of this, and thank you to everyone who will be part of it in the future.
欢迎日本的开发者参与到 openEuler 社区里，也希望呢有更多的日本企业来去应用 openEuler， 共建 openEuler 的生态。
We love Japan, Tokyo, and openEuler.